Alright, so we are going to apply a high quality drop shadow from this to that. So without wasting time, let's begin. So first things first, this is the image. I will link it in the description. So if we look at the bottom of our canvas, there is what we call a contextual bar. On earlier versions of Photoshop, you can have that. If you don't have it, you don't have to worry. You can go still to select, and we are going to perform the same thing. We shall choose subject. So now Photoshop is going to select our subject that is present on the screen. So we are going to zoom in by holding Ctrl+ to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to pick my quick selection tool on the navigation side, and I'll make sure it is on the plus. So I'm going to add some little things. So we just left click to add the small selections to expand it like outwards. So now I think it is perfect. So I want to to apply the mask. So now if you have a contextual bar, you still have that mask icon. You can just click on once, but if you don't have it, you don't have to worry. You go to the layers panel and you choose the mask icon, and I think you can see we've already gotten off the background. So go to adjustment, color adjustment. I will choose solid color, and so right here I'm going to pick something like yellowish. So I'll just trick and I think I'll go with that. That is fine, and I'll move at the bottom of the shoe. So I think it's now cool. So right now we are going to zoom by holding Ctrl+ to zoom in, and we are going to apply a shadow at the bottom of the shoe, that part in front. So we shall go to our brush on the navigation side, but we cannot apply right here because we don't have anywhere we can apply. That's why you're seeing that empty sign. So I'll go to the layers panel and add a new layer where I'm going to apply that shadow. So if I go back up to our canvas where I'm going to apply the shadow, I think you can see the brush is now active. So by default, the brush is going to be in a circular form. So we want to squeeze it or twist it a little bit. So you will go on the top of that node and you left hold click, and then you tweak it, and you should make sure you go back to our layer and make sure it is active, and you go up on the floor. We shall go around with like 25 is okay. Yeah, it has not to be much, it's not be small, so 25 is okay. So you can also use 25 for like the way I've used this. So I will start drawing those shadows. So you keep on tweaking and brushing around until you see something like dark at the edge of the shoe, and then the lighter parts when going outwards. So now I think you're observing that white thing around the shoe, and you want to get rid of that. You don't have to worry. So we shall go to our layer, and on the layer mask we shall double click and we go into the mask. So now there is something what you call decontaminate colors. So if you check it, it's going to get rid of that white thread thing around the edge of the shoe, and that our image is going to look so perfect. So you check it like so, and after checking it, you see it is very, very beautiful right now. So you can now go on and click OK, and that's it, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.